Welcome to the hidden world of the dragon fruit factory, where exotic nature meets industrial precision.
Our journey begins at the source, where thousands of these dragon fruit pitayas are ready for harvest.
Each dragon fruit is hand-picked at the perfect moment to ensure maximum sweetness and color.
Timing is everything. From the dragon fruit branch to the factory, the race against time begins. Step inside the state-of-the-art facility where the magic of dragon fruit processing happens.
The first step is the intake, where thousands of dragon fruits are inspected for quality.
A deep clean is essential to maintain the highest dragon fruit food safety standards. Specialized brushes ensure every scale of the dragon fruit is perfectly sanitized.
Advanced AI sensors sort the dragon fruit by size, weight, and ripeness automatically.
Only the premium-grade dragon fruits move forward to the fresh export line. Moisture is removed to prevent mold during the dragon fruit's long journey to global markets.
For fresh exports, each pink dragon fruit is treated like a precious gem. Full traceability means you can track this dragon fruit back to the very vine it grew on.
For specific markets, dragon fruits are kept here to reach the perfect sugar level.
Cooling the dragon fruit immediately after harvest doubles its shelf life.
Quality control officers check for any internal dragon fruit bruising that the eye can't see.
But what about the dragon fruit that doesn't go to the supermarket? That's where it gets interesting.
In the processing wing, the dragon fruit is peeled and prepped for freezing and pulping.
Precision cutting is key for frozen dragon fruit packs, used in smoothie bowls worldwide.
Flash freezing dragon fruit at -40 degrees locks in the nutrients and the fresh taste. The pink dragon fruit varieties are often turned into juice concentrates and natural food colorings.
No sugar added, just the pure essence of the dragon fruit juice.
Rich in vitamin C and fiber, this dragon fruit factory is literally bottling health.
Dehydration is another popular method, creating a healthy, crunchy dragon fruit snack.
Every part of the dragon fruit is utilized. Nothing goes to waste in this facility.
The dragon fruit skins are rich in pectin and are sent for natural thickener extraction. Dragon fruit consistency is monitored every hour to ensure the perfect smoothie texture.
The dragon fruit seeds are saved for oil extraction, a highly prized ingredient in skincare.
This dragon fruit oil is packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants.
It takes 24 hours of slow drying to create the perfect dragon fruit chip. Even temperature distribution is vital for a consistent dragon fruit crunch. Automation ensures that the human hand never touches the sterilized dragon fruit product.
One air leak could ruin the entire dragon fruit batch. The checks are relentless.
Every dragon fruit bottle is marked for global distribution with total accuracy.
Scientists here work to find new ways to use every single part of the dragon fruit.
This natural dragon fruit pigment is replacing artificial red dyes in the food industry.
This dragon fruit juice will be shipped to make organic yogurts and ice creams.
The dragon fruit sugar content must be exactly 12% for the premium export grade.
UV light kills any surface bacteria without affecting the dragon fruit's taste.
This natural wax keeps the dragon fruit looking fresh on supermarket shelves for weeks. Sustainable cardboard is used to reduce the dragon fruit factory's plastic footprint. The top 5% of the dragon fruit harvest is selected for luxury gift boxes. Dragon fruit cold chain logistics start here and never break until the store.
Global demand means our dragon fruit is flying to every major city.
The energy for these dragon fruit cooling fans comes from the solar farm on our roof.
Dragon fruit sustainability is the heart of our industrial philosophy.
Every drop of water used for dragon fruit cleaning is filtered and reused for the plantation.
It's a perfect circular dragon fruit system that respects the environment.
Healthy soil means healthy dragon fruit. We use 0 chemical pesticides here.
Natural pest control keeps the dragon fruit ecosystem balanced and the fruit pure.
These dragon fruit flowers only bloom at night, making the pollination process unique.
Sometimes, nature needs a little help to ensure a massive dragon fruit harvest. Data-driven dragon fruit farming helps us predict the harvest weeks in advance. When dragon fruit harvest season highs, the factory runs 24 hours a day.
Dedicated teams work around the clock to process the fresh dragon fruit arrival.
Keeping the energy high is part of the secret to our dragon fruit efficiency.
There is a deep pride in bringing this exotic dragon fruit treasure to the world.
We are currently shipping dragon fruit to over 40 countries across 5 continents.
Our dragon fruit quality is trusted by the world's most famous chefs.
In every sip, you can taste the freshness of the tropical dragon fruit sun.
Healthy dragon fruit snacks for a better future. That is our mission.
Every gram of dragon fruit is accounted for in our high-efficiency system.
Secure dragon fruit packaging ensures 0 damage during thousands of miles of travel.
For non-urgent orders, sea freight is the most eco-friendly dragon fruit option.
Remote monitoring ensures the dragon fruit stays at a steady 5 degrees Celsius.
Dragon fruit integrity and safety are guaranteed from the factory to your door.
The final step of the dragon fruit journey is the one that brings joy to the consumer.
The visual beauty of this dragon fruit is matched only by its nutritional power.
Fighting inflammation and boosting immunity with every dragon fruit serving. The dragon fruit cosmetic benefits are just as impressive as the nutritional ones.
Rich in dragon fruit vitamins that rejuvenate and hydrate the skin naturally.
Managing dragon fruit at this scale requires a perfect blend of heart and hardware.
We ensure that every dragon fruit worker and farmer is treated with dignity.
Ethical dragon fruit production is not an option. It's our standard. empowering our local dragon fruit community through education and technology.
The success of our dragon fruit is the success of our entire region.
In many cultures, this dragon fruit is a symbol of prosperity and luck.
Pullmans. Even the dragon fruit sap has medicinal properties used in traditional remedies.
Precision dragon fruit agriculture reduces waste and increases yield.
The dragon fruit is more than a product. It's a cultural icon.
The yellow dragon fruit variety is the sweetest of all, a true delicacy.
Handled with care due to the yellow dragon fruit's thinner, delicate skin.
The rarest flavors of dragon fruit, brought to you by Inside Production.
Software controls every second of the dragon fruit cooling process.
Maintenance is proactive to ensure the dragon fruit line never stops.
Small details make the difference in $1 million dragon fruit facility. Dragon fruit efficiency at its finest. 500 bottles every single minute. A tamper-proof seal ensures that the dragon fruit juice is fresh.
Dragon fruit branding that tells the story of the tropical sun and fresh rain.
The dragon fruit logistics never sleep, so your breakfast is always fresh. The bridge between the dragon fruit farm and the city is built on hard work. Experience the burst of tropical dragon fruit flavor in every single bite. The architecture of the dragon fruit is flawless and inspiring.
Cleaning our dragon fruit wastewater to drinkable standards before release.
The ultimate proof of our clean and green dragon fruit manufacturing. Celebrating the people who make this dragon fruit wonder possible.
The hands of hard work, the hands of dragon fruit health.
Patience and care are the most important dragon fruit ingredients we use.
Always experimenting to find the next global dragon fruit flavor sensation.
From a dragon fruit idea to reality in our world-class innovation hub. The fleeting beauty of the dragon fruit bloom, the lasting power of the fruit.
A masterpiece of dragon fruit nature, delivered to you by modern industry.
Real-time tracking ensures that every dragon fruit shipment reaches the customer.
From the first dragon fruit seed to the final seal, this is our story.
If you want to see more dragon fruit secrets, join our community.
The dragon fruit world is full of wonder. Stay healthy. Thank you for joining us on this exotic dragon fruit journey today.
Good night from the Dragon Fruit Farm, where tomorrow's harvest grows.
Inside Production. Real industry. Real dragon fruit impact.
See you in the next dragon fruit factory. Until then, stay fresh.